Hi. I ended up buying this very nice add-on for Unity TextMesh Pro. It's a very wonderful asset, basically because I hate Unity's text limitations. And going through their video and their introductory videos, the author talks about some very interesting concepts that I wanted to try to apply to something like graphics and not just text. Um, TextMesh Pro itself comes with some really cool features like being able to apply various textures to your text and creating outlines. I think one of the most interesting features is that you can basically zoom in on a piece of text and you don't get the degradation that you would normally get with a bitmap or with a sprite. Um, so so I put together a proof of concept to apply basically TextMesh Pro to a graphic. This is what I came up with. So here we have a basically face of a robot head, and it's made up of basically TextMesh Pro objects. Now, how did I put this together? So first, I started in Illustrator. So here I started with a simple sketch in Illustrator. I created a vector graphic for it, and then I exported the vector graphic, and I created a font out of it using what's this program? FontForge, an open source font package. And why would I go through such a roundabout way of doing this? Basically because TextMesh Pro, I wanted to use all the cool TextMesh Pro features, but this thing works with text, so I needed a font. All right, TextMesh Pro has this TextMesh Pro font asset creator. And here you basically load up your font and it spits out one of these things. And this thing is basically whatever it is, I guess it's like a material using all of your text put together in an atlas. So once I had everything in a font, I was able to combine everything together in just multiple TextMesh Pro objects. This is A, B, C, D. Kind of a roundabout way of doing things, but this really looks awesome, and you're able to do all kinds of interesting things like changing, something that you don't get to do with the regular bitmap. Okay, you want to change the outline thickness. Boom, done. You just did it. You don't want an outline. Boom, done. What else do you want to do? You want to change the outline color. Okay, well, there it is. You just change the outline color. You want to change the color of, whatever font elements. Now you have to organize this properly, to split everything apart properly. But man, this is like really cool, and you can do a lot with it. So maybe a few more things to say about this is why would I go through all of this extra work to create something like this that maybe could be done with an SVG importer. There's really interesting things that something like TextMesh Pro allows that SVG tools are really kind of lacking at the moment. If I'm wrong, please feel free to point out some SVG tools that would allow for all this stuff, because this has like a really awesome tool set that I want to apply to graphics, but obviously TextMesh Pro is for text. I mean, I kind of had to circumvent and work with their specific tool set here to be able to produce this effect. Anyway, it works.